Hey everybody, Andrew here. Welcome to Living the Northern Life. Well, today I think it's going to be a hodgepodge full of different stuff. We need to get the truck started. We need to cut some trees down. We need to plant some trees, and we need to get going. Well, of course, I forgot to press record. Cut down two nice big poplars here, kind of in the general direction. I'm a little out of gas. And we fell this one over by where the timber sheds are going as well, and fell it right into the pile. Time to take my coat off. Boy, am I sweaty now. Whew, it's hot. It's like late fall, and it's warming up. It's supposed to get to 14 or 15 today, nice and sunny, so time to get some trees cut down. This time I'll press record. All right, time to start limbing this tree. Okay, so this one's limbed as well, except for this branch that goes up into the tree. It's good for firewood, so I don't want to cut it off. It's good for firewood all the way up there, so we'll tow it out. We'll cut it off afterwards. If you're wondering why I didn't take the stump down to the ground, I'm going to drill a hole in the top and in through the side and then burn it. I'm going to try that technique out. It seems to work like a chimney, and it burns it from the inside out, and it seems to work really well. So we're going to give that a try. We have another stump over there that we're going to do that with too, right next to the trailer. So this tree here, we can get about 30 feet out of it before the bend in it. And this one over here is about 30 feet as well. So we're not getting 4 beams out of these, but we've got one temporary shed base ready to go. We just gotta tow them out, cut them on 2 sides, so that they're stable, and we can start building. So this tree here, we can get about 30 feet out of it before the bend in it. And this one over here is about 30 feet as well. So we're not getting 4 beams out of these, but we've got one temporary shed base ready to go. We just gotta tow them out, cut them on 2 sides so that they're stable, and we can start building. Let me correct that. We have bases so that when we have lumber, we can build. We currently don't have lumber yet either, so we have to get to that too. You saw us cutting some more stuff down over there in previous videos, so we will be taking those and making some 2x6s out of them, 10 feet long. We only need 24 per building, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. 24 2x6 by 10 feet long, and then a bunch of 1x4s to strap it together. All right, but my chain's really dull, so I'm gonna have to go sharpen the chain. I've got my battery on charge for the old F-150, so I think I'm gonna go grab the battery and see if we can get the truck started and get it moved again. All right, so it's the next weekend. We're back here. We have a stump that we're gonna burn, and we've got the battery to put back in the truck and get it moved, and maybe cut some firewood. We've got so much to do. We need to get going. So this is, we're gonna drill a hole in the stump now. So we're gonna drill a hole in the top and down here with the Milwaukee with a 1-inch bit. We're gonna set this thing on fire. All right, so we got these holes connected now. Took me a couple tries, but I can see daylight when I put my flashlight in here. You can't see it right now, but it's there. Let's light this thing on fire. See the smoke hanging about 2 inches down on the hole, just sitting there. All right, so it's the next weekend again, like we said. We got the battery, gonna get it installed, see if the truck will start. All right, so something's wrong with the starter, so probably won't be today, but we'll probably just pull it out to the front of the driveway with the tractor and put it up for sale. That's going to be all that we do with the F-150 today. I might actually just take the battery out and use it for something else. And I think that's it for the truck. Just brought a couple buckets of dirt over. I'll put them in that hole we just dug that big rock out of. No tripping hazard now. It's certainly taking a lot of effort to get the stump going this way. As you can see, I've got one hole that's on fire that I drilled down by accident, and the other one I've got the torch in there. You can hear it running, and the flames coming out the top. Hopefully it catches. I'm assuming it's just going to smolder. It's, you know, damp, so it's going to take some time to dry, that's for sure. Dug that rock out of the ground. Katie wants to write our names on it. We've got the moved over here underneath the trailer. We slid it on a shovel, and that's not working. So I'm going to throw a 2x2 tile on it from over here, and we're going to put that on there. Put it on there for a couple weeks. Probably won't dry out by then, but at least if it rains or snows, it won't get any wetter. Okay, so I think I've got about 50 red pines in here. Not quite as many as I was thinking. I was hoping maybe to get maybe 100 in each one, but maybe I could try just a little bit different. I tried planting these ones a little bit closer. The other ones are all 4s. So on this next one, I'll plant more a little bit closer, put them 5 aside, and hopefully we'll get 10 rows. So I got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, see where we get. All right, well, that's going to be it for this one, guys. We had a really busy day. We did take some time to have a nice fire with some hot dogs and that, so that was amazing. We got 5 sets of planters of 60 trees done. We've got 5 more here to do. We're bringing them home, so that's something that we can do. So we're probably going to do that off camera, and then we'll film just planting them again. Got the stairs out, got some trees cut down. A little bit of firewood done. We tried to start the truck, but it didn't start, so we're going to tow it out with the tractor and see what's wrong. It did turn over, but the battery just wasn't strong enough to turn it over last weekend, so I charged it up, but I think maybe the starter stuck. Not really sure. But anyway, guys, we are an Amazon affiliate. If you click on any of our Amazon links down below, we'll get a small commission after you click them within the next 24 hours. If you're not a subscriber or following along, hit that subscribe button to follow along. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it sure means the world to us. And until the next one, keep living the Northern Life. Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.